Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to improve your viewing angle or create a more comfortable workspace, adjusting the height of your MSI monitor can make a big difference. Many MSI monitor models include an ergonomic stand that allows vertical movement, helping reduce neck strain and providing a better screen position for gaming, work, or everyday use. However, the adjustment mechanism may not be obvious if you've never used it before. The good part is that moving an MSI monitor up and down is usually a simple process and doesn't require any tools. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to properly adjust the height of your MSI monitor. Try these. Step 1. Position yourself in front of the MSI monitor. Step 2. Hold both sides of the MSI monitor securely. Step 3. Support the stand attached to the MSI monitor. Step 4. Raise or lower the MSI monitor gradually. Step 5. Adjust the MSI monitor to eye level. Step 6. Make sure the MSI monitor remains stable after adjustment.